This video will demonstrate breath of fire, or Kapalabhati. Sit with your spine erect and palms and feet facing up. Contract your abdominal muscles sharply, forcing a quick exhalation through the nose. Relax the abdominal muscles to allow a small amount of air to enter the lungs passively. Do not inhale actively. Repeat the exhalations, relaxing abdominal muscles in between. For beginners, exhale 20 to 30 times per round, building up to 50 to 100 times per round. To begin with, you may not be exhaling as quickly as in this video, so remember to allow yourself enough time for your stomach to relax between each exhalation. The more you practice Kapalabhati, the quicker your stomach muscles will be able to relax and the quicker your exhalations will be. After each round of exhalations, you may either inhale and exhale deeply a few times before inhaling and retaining your breath, or you can move straight into an inhalation and retain your breath for as long as is comfortable. While you are retaining, if you have a mantra you use for meditation, you may wish to repeat this throughout the retention. When you have held your breath for as long as is comfortable, exhale. Complete between 3 to 5 rounds of Kapalabhati, retaining your breath between each round.